Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A1. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. At the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to display and brightness. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display mode between light and dark. We can schedule the dark mode. And in more dark mode settings, we can change dark mode style between enhanced, medium and gentle. We can adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast light in low conditions, and enable dark mode for third-party apps. Next, we can change brightness level of the display, manually or via auto brightness. Then we can change screen color mode between vivid natural, and then we can change screen color temperature. Next, we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, change screen color temperature, and display effects between color and black and white. Then we can change font size, font weight, and font style. Also we can enable or disable adaptive font weight. Next we can change display size, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable adaptive sleep, change screen refresh rate between high and standard, and enable full screen mode for apps and hide notch in apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.